This is our Hardinge second operation lathe. It's a model DSM 59. You've got a 6-position Hardinge bed turret with some tooling. You've got a quick acting slide with a block and tool post. Going to bring it on for you now. Forward. Reverse. Slowing it down. Speeding up. Low range, forward. Low range, reverse. And that was our Hardinge DSM 59 being shown under power in very good condition. Thank you for watching.